Welcome back to another basic tutorial. Today we are going to talk about 4 martial arts stances which are very important in Kung Fu world. You saw the basic stances in martial art in my previous videos, but there are more stances in Kung Fu world which are very important. So if you want to learn Kung Fu, you have to know these stances before. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. In this stance you have to balance in one leg and in the other leg is in bend position. This is very important for self-defense, and not only that, this is very useful for body balancing. This stance has double benefits. You saw this stance before in the stretching exercise, but this stance is sometimes called Shaolin side sitting. This stance is mainly used in stretching Kung Fu world. This stance is used to avoid enemy attacks. Bow stance. This stance looks like a dragon stance, but there is a difference in the dragon stance and the bow stance. In dragon stance, your both legs are in straight line position, but in bow stance, your two legs will not be in straight line position. So the bow stance has a combat benefit. If you don't see my previous video, then the link is in the description. Go and check out how you can use this bow stance in combat. So let's jump on to the next stance. Splitting squat stance. In this form, first you put your one leg front line and the second leg in back, and then you have to look behind, and in that time you have to raise your hand in backward like this. Your hand should be in the knife hand strike position. This stance is mainly used to avoid enemy attacks from the back. So I hope you learned something new, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay strong. Bye.